How many hoes stop me up? Yeah, niggas ain't on. Like they told ya. Good chain race, I still ride the cones, yeah. Wrist on phones, yeah. Medicate got it, show my toes. Can show up and show. I got my knees. Ticking, that's all it'll take to put one in your dome. On the one.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Swazi. Today's gonna be an awesome day. We got these two beauties over here. Nice little UPS packages. We'll open those in a second, but today's gonna be a little bit different video. We're actually gonna be doing some mechanic car parts. We're gonna be installing some new parts to the car today, finally. And before that, I want to go take some exhaust videos because we're going to be installing a new exhaust part, so I'm going to have to show you what it sounds like. So right now we're going to start off with a cold start, and this is, right now my catalytic converter just has all the minerals that were in it beaten out, so basically a test pipe but not really, and it has an exhaust leak. So it sounds somewhat different, but we're going to show you what it currently sounds right now, cold start. Today. It's gonna be an awesome day to be able to do all this stuff. Let's get a little pops. See what she sounds like right now. This is one of my favorite turns. Ew, that was right on shift. Second and third gear. Woo! Hey, what's going on, guys? We're back after doing those few exhaust videos. We got the car now. We got her up on jack stands. We're about ready to get up underneath it and start working on installing that test pipe. Now, I told you guys I was going to show you what the test pipe was in that other box, so I'll go grab them right now and show you what they are. And here those wonderful boxes are. This first white one is going to be the brand new test pipe that I was talking about. We're going to be replacing the catalytic converter. Throw this baby in there. That's going to be loud. Oh, what else do we have here? With the silencer. Definitely taking the silencer out. Because we got a fat canister muffler. A fat canister muffler. Because we got a fat canister muffler. It says RS type. That's gonna be a fatty spitter. And of course I also brought some tools from work back at my job, so let me go grab those tools real quick and bring them out here so we can start working on the car. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little bit underneath of it and talk about it. And here we are, got a bunch of those tools. This is my little work desk at the moment. We're gonna get up under the car and take a peek. That's my drill bag. It's got a lot of tools in there too. But let's go ahead and get up under here. Readjusted the jack stands a little bit. Now that we've really got the car on the ground, let's try to get under here and get a video again, because that video sucked. Let's try. Oh yeah, that's a lot more room to get up under here now. Like I said, that bolt right there is obviously snapped. It's gonna be hard and annoying to get out. We'll see, but see, I can just move the whole thing like that. Got a bad exhaust leak. So we're gonna be taking out that huge catalytic converter, throwing the test pipe in. Let's get to it. You see, we're straight piped all the way from my performance headers, all the way back. No resonator, no muffler. Only thing we got is that arc exhaust muffler tip. Up on the lift, my nice cold air intake. Cold air. There's my performance headers I've been talking about. Getting ready to take that big ass catalytic converter out of there. Gotta get rid of that bolt right there. I get rid of that bolt, another bolt over there. Just a few bolts and taking this bitch out. What is going on, guys? We're making some progress here. We've gotten those bolts right there on the header to the catalytic converter somewhat loose, and we actually got this almost entirely separated. I got all the bolts, actually it is entirely separated. I got all the bolts right here for this gasket free, and it's 100% movable now. As soon as I take those top bolts out from the cat that's holding it into the header, it's gonna just come right out. And test pipe time. We got Flandrew! Me and my boy Flandrew. Here we go. Dang it, I didn't grab the, oh, I have my flashlight. What'd you drop? You got it?
Yeah.
Here we are, putting this baby in. Here we go. We got our nice bolts on right there. And we're damn right, let's get this bitch tight. Let's get this bit tight. We got our new one right there, fat test pipe. Hooked all up. Oh yeah, time to tighten her down. And that's it, guys. Me and Flandrew, we just got her installed. Woo, look at that thing. Oh my god, those brand new parts. Screw all that old header and that old catalytic converter. Now we're straight piped from the header. Even have a new real test pipe. No resonator, no muffler, fat exhaust tip. Let's go check out what that looks like underneath. Ooh. Okay. I like it. I like it. Brand new test pipe installation. Pretty easy. Literally only 5 bolts. You just take them bolts out right there. Take out those bolts on the top. And that's it. Just put it right in place where it was. Ooh. Let's turn her on. Holy bro, that is actually loud as oh, she's in there. Oh, it's so much louder, bro. Because it's just going to be turned on to leave and to come here.
No, that's not enough. That's not. But when you come flying in from the neighborhood, make it loud and coming in loud and shutting down and it late at night.
Yeah. All right, well, we'll see
then. Same
then.
way in the morning.
We'll see if you get some complaints.
Yeah.
We'll see about it. Hey everybody, so it's been a few days now, about a day or two since I've had the test pipe on, and I've obviously driven it since. It sounds great. I'm absolutely in love with it. I wasn't able to get any footage of it of the day we installed it after because my friend had to leave after he helped me put it on and everything. He wasn't able to help me get any footage. But I'm out here today. We're on this super open road. There's sometimes some cars, not really that freaking car. I'm going to be out here taking some videos of the exhaust for you guys so you can actually hear it now, and it's pretty crazy. Can't wait to show you guys. Don't ask why I'm sitting down here, I just think it looks cool. But I did film a cold start video, so I'll go ahead and show you guys that. I filmed that this morning.
I ain't finna lay with no hoe, I put dick in the mouth, nigga, take off her clothes.